from Bucket Girls Reason Things. We're going to make some salsa today. I have all kinds of tomatoes. I have some tomatoes and bell peppers and stuff from the garden. So I thought I'd come on my birthday to make salsa. Crazy, huh? But we got to do what we got to do. I am using the ball canning book, and I'm using the Zesty Salsa Recipe. So I have 6 pounds of tomatoes, which I weighed out on my little scale, and I have 5 cups of chopped and seeded bell peppers, which is already chopped and seeded in the container, and 5 cups of onions. And I'm just going to finish up the rest of the tomatoes and the rest of the onions. And you're supposed to put 2.5 cups of hot peppers. Dad said he didn't want hot peppers in his, so we're going to skip that one. But ladies, I know there's some of you that's hot stuff, so you can put that in there. The tomatoes, hey Brenda, the tomatoes you want to core and take any bad spots out, because right this year in Ohio, it's kind of been a dry season. So a lot of times we'll have black spots on the bottom, and you don't want those in your salsa, so you want to take those out. And I got this neat little gadget. Look at this neat little gadget. It was inexpensive. It wasn't, I don't remember how much it was. It was on Amazon. And Thad doesn't like his salsa blended. He likes it chopped. So there's how you chop it. And it makes it so fast and so easy. We did the peppers. We did the, and I'm doing the tomatoes and the onions the same way. Hey, Bobette. Oh, thank you for the birthday wishes. Oh, thank you. And, yeah, it's been really dry, so we're not getting half the tomatoes we would have got. Because Thad mowed the garden this week for the first time in a month, which is craziness. Yes, you'll have tomato juice on your counter. Yes, you'll have to clean the counter and probably the cabinet that you're doing it in front of. But canning's messy. Oh, thank you, Linda. Thank you, Kathy. So what's everybody doing today? And I'll show you what the tomatoes look like when they go through. The tomatoes come out looking like this, which is how Thad likes it. He likes them chopped. He likes them more like Pinco de Gallo. This thing is awesome if you just want to do a fresh Pinco and run it through here. But yeah, I say his sauce, the way he likes the sauce, is more like Pinco de Gallo than it is salsa, but you know, here's the onions. Yeah, I didn't want to stand here and chop everything on live, because I know you get bored. He likes his salsa, when you dip it, to have a little texture and not just liquidy on his chip. Okay, and then I just add this stuff to the compost. I have a 5-gallon bucket of compost. I'm working on. And here's what we've chopped. This is what I've done today. Here's what we've chopped so far in the crock pot. This is 6 pounds of tomatoes. What is it? 6 pounds of tomatoes, or 10 cups, 5 cups of green peppers, 5 cups of onions, and then I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to add some vinegar. Hey, Cindy. Hey, Lori. Oh, yeah, taco salads. And Dad likes it. Likes this, me to add a can of salsa to my chili. Which sounds really weird. But he likes a can of salsa in the chili when I make chili. Okay. Vinegar, we need 1.5 cups of vinegar. I don't know where my other cup went. My cup keeps running away. 1.5 cups of vinegar. This helps increase the acid in your salsa for canning. And then you can add a teaspoon of hot sauce and 2 teaspoons of cilantro, but I couldn't find cilantro, so that's a problem. Here's the lesson. Here's a lesson I've learned. When it's going to be a crazy busy canning season, you need to buy all your supplies in January, February, March, not now. You can't find jars, you cannot find lids, and I can't find cilantro. I did find this, and this package is Mrs. Wagg's. It's for salsa, and it says 6 pounds of tomatoes, 1.5 cup of 1/2 cup of distilled vinegar in this pouch to make salsa. Well, the thing is, it's not salsa without onions and peppers. So I used the other recipe, and I'm going to add this for the spices, because I can't find cilantro in my area right now. It's one of those lessons learned. And my lesson is I learned that I need to shop earlier for my canning supplies. Thanks everybody for the birthday wishes. You guys are so special. You guys are definitely just truly part of me and Thad's family. Since me and Thad doesn't have very much family, you guys are definitely have been very much a part of our family for the last, next week it'll be 2 years. Unbelievable. Okay, and then you want to stir it in, and then I will cook this for about an hour. I may even cook it 2 hours before I put this in jars to get everything nice and cooked. Get all the flavors in there. And I almost needed my roaster. It was almost that much. my peppers, some of them came out of the freezer because we've been getting peppers here and there. And we haven't been getting them in big quantities, so we chopped and froze a bunch for salsa. But we will get that cooking, and that is and when we pull this out, we will fill our pint jars, and we will can it for, let me see, process jars for 40 minutes in boiling water, hot water bath canner. So I will can this for 40 minutes in pint jars. Fill the pint jars and sterilize the lids, and we'll get that canning. Which, if you're on my YouTube channel, I'll be back. I'll have the full video of exactly how I can it, because I do it in 2 parts. Hey Eva, yeah, Evelyn. Thank you so much, everybody, for the birthday wishes. And thank you for joining me. And I will finish my video, the complete video, and it'll be on my YouTube channel, which I tried something new. My link to my YouTube channel should be on this video. So if you want to see this video, it should be uploaded, and I'm going to upload it tomorrow. So everybody can get this video and see it while they're in canning season. Talk to you later. Love you guys. Thanks for the birthday wishes. Bye. Around the rim of your jar, make sure it's good and clean. If not, it won't seal. And then you put your lid on. Here's your ring, and you tighten it. But you don't want to bear tighten it. You just want it finger tight. And that is ready to go in the canner. And my canner, I always have it, the water above the jars. And this is the smallmouth jar. And you do it the same way. And see, this is my scoop. I just use an old coffee cup. Make sure your debubbler's in there, because you don't want that jar to explode. And you cook this when they start boiling. When your canner starts to boil, you cook it for 15 minutes for pints. Or follow the recipe that's in the description. And wipe this off. And I normally, which I forgot the other one. I have to go back and get it. I normally put a teaspoon of citric acid in, because our tomatoes are not as acidy as they once was. Here's how I store my rings. Just an old metal clothes hanger, and then I hang them up. You can tell I've been canning forever. I've canned since I was 9 years old with my mom. Thank you for tuning in. Talk to you later. Bye.